Hello and welcome to another video on how to test CTs with iCT1. This is our CT, this is our iCT1, and I'm going to do an excitation curve test. After writing the correct header values, I'm going to press excitation curve, and practically this test is very automatic, so I just need to choose which points I want, which taps I want to test, so all these 4 taps, and I just need to press the start button. It warns me that it will generate high currents, and I click OK. So for a while you will not see anything. In the meantime, I'm going to explain that I'm expecting about 855 or around 850 volts for the knee point of X1 to X5, and I'll also mention that there are 2 models of iCT1. There is iCT1 standard and iCT1 advanced. The only difference is that iCT1 standard will generate up to 2 kilovolt, 50 hertz or 60 hertz signal, so real testing voltage, while iCT1 advanced will, in addition to that, also be able to use the DC method, the saturation method. So with the voltage of up to 150 volt DC, it will saturate the core, and after it saturates the core, it will be able to, using of course modeling, measure the knee points up to 30 kilovolts. So right now, after this explanation, we saw that the curve is being drawn, and this curve is the curve for X1, X5. All other curves will be derived from this curve here. We need to wait for a second, and by the way, you always need to follow what's written here in the bottom, test in progress, when you see the lightning. So that means we are generating potentially high and hazardous voltages now, so be careful. And when this is done, we'll be able to see all 4 curves, and also we will be able to see the table results. So let's wait for a while. It's still doing the test in progress, and we got our results. So here we got 847, which is very close to 855, what I was expecting as a nominal value. And I see curve 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2000 to 5, 1500 to 5, 1200 to 5, and 400 to 5. You can then browse, you can go here and see all the values of voltage which was generated and the current which was going out for tap 1, tap 2, tap 3, and tap 4, and for the inner taps we didn't mark them, so we don't have these results. You can also do a table test. You can write in the values you want to and then execute a customized test, and in the settings you can see some of the information which are important for this test. Once again, we can save by saying menu, save file, and I will say memory, CT excitation 89, save file, file saved successfully. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to thank you for your attention. And after this, I'm going to do one more test, which will be the CT Explorer test. Thank you for your attention.